In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create custom fields in Jira, a tool developed by Atlassian. Let's dive right in and see how you can customize your Jira project to better suit your needs. The first step in this process is to navigate over to your Jira project. Once there, you'll want to ensure you're viewing the list view. This is crucial because the list view is where you can see all the fields available in your project and is also where you'll be making modifications. Now that you're set on the list view, direct your attention to the top right corner of the table list. You'll notice a plus icon located there. This icon is key to beginning the process of adding a new custom field. Go ahead and click on it to proceed to the next step. After clicking on the plus icon, a few options will appear. Among these, you'll see an option that says, Create a new field. This is exactly what we need, so please select this option. This is the gateway to adding a custom field that will help tailor your Jira project more specifically to your business or project management needs. Once you've selected Create a new field, it's time to choose the type of field you wish to add. Jira offers a variety of field types, allowing you to choose one that best fits the kind of data you need to collect or display. For instance, you might choose a text field for detailed input or a date field if you're tracking deadlines. Below this choice, there is another important input, the field name. Enter a descriptive and meaningful name so that anyone viewing it will immediately understand what data it represents. Once you've selected the type and entered a name for your field, click the Create button. This action will finalize the process of creating your new custom field, seamlessly integrating it into your project. And there you go. With just a few straightforward steps, you've added a custom field to your Jira project. This ability to personalize your fields means you can have your Jira workspace exactly how you need it, making project management more efficient and tailored to your personal or team's workflow. In conclusion, creating custom fields in Jira is a simple but powerful way to ensure that your projects are precisely aligned with your needs. Whether you're organizing tasks, capturing additional data, or simply structuring your projects to reflect your unique processes, these custom fields are an invaluable tool. Thank you for following along, and we hope this guide has made the process clear and easy to execute. Feel free to experiment with different field types and names to best fit your project requirements. Happy customizing!